Hey everybody, this is MLive Chief Meteorologist Mark Torregrossa. Happy Thanksgiving. I want to give you a little lowdown, maybe a couple of things you can plan around as far as weather goes. This is Wednesday's amount of precipitation, okay? So we have a storm system rather weak in the middle part of the country, nothing along the east coast, and a storm hitting parts of the west coast. So really your only wet weather is through the middle part of the country, and most of this is going to be in the form of rain. The snow here is going to be back in here, and I'll show you that to you in just a second here. This is Thanksgiving. It gets a little bit better in the Great Lakes. The amount of precipitation goes way down, just a few hundredths in some spots. The storm system dying as it moves on to the east coast, but really fairly light amounts, disorganized, and a stronger storm hitting the Pacific Northwest, but in between, a lot of dry weather. What about snowfall? Now, tomorrow morning is when you'll have to watch it. This is the snowfall between 7 a.m. and 1 p.m. tomorrow. And I want you to notice right here, this is the freezing line. So this area right in here, Houghton Lake, Clare, Mount Pleasant, Cadillac, Traverse City, that's below freezing slightly. And so the snow, which is light, less than an inch or so, would stick here. Other areas that are getting the snow, it would probably melt off the roads because temperatures would be above freezing. So that's good news. And also you can see in the UP tomorrow morning, temperatures below freezing. Go into tomorrow afternoon. This is snowfall again, 1 or 2 inches. But notice the temperatures are above freezing, so I don't think it'll cause a major problem. Only temperatures below freezing back in the western part of the UP. So probably, truth be told, you're better waiting until afternoon tomorrow, even though it will still be snowing and it will be warmer. And as we get into the middle of the night, Wednesday night, you can see that the storm system, the snowfall amounts are going down, diminishing, so no problems there. Where will there be problems? This is Minnesota, Minneapolis. A lot of our flights from our smaller airports go into Minnesota. 3 to 5 inches of snow on the way there tonight and Wednesday. So if you have a flight going to Minnesota, Minneapolis, you could change it to Chicago or somewhere else. You might want to do that. So there's a little update for you. My points would be travel early tomorrow before the precipitation hits, or wait until mid to late afternoon when the temperatures will be above freezing. Roads will improve.